Hi, this is Mike Rankin with CreativePro, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to identify fonts in PDF files using Adobe Acrobat. If you just want a list of all the fonts used in a PDF, here in Acrobat, choose File, Properties, or press Command or Control D, and click on the Fonts tab. And here you can see the font names, the file types, and the encoding. If you see no fonts at all listed here, you know that there's no live text in the PDF and there are no fonts embedded in it. But in this case, I can see that there are lots of fonts used in this document. If I want to know the name of a specific font I see on the page, this list isn't really going to help me. So I'm going to close this and I'll go to Tools, Print Production, and click on Output Preview. And in the middle of the dialog box, there's this preview menu. Choose Object Inspector, and then move your pointer over the type formatted with the font that you want to identify and click. And here I can see this article title is set in Clinics Lab Bold, 32 points, and the page number is set in Barlow Condensed, semi-bold, 48 points. Note that Acrobat can't identify fonts that have been rasterized or converted to outlines. So for example, if I click on this logo here on the left, I don't see any font listed at all here. Instead, I can see that it's just a filled path. So there you have a couple quick tips for identifying fonts in PDF files.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to our channel. And for thousands more how-to articles and tutorials, visit our website, creativepro.com, and become a member today. Thanks for learning with us.